Welcome to adulthood, Ate Casey. Happy 18th birthday. I hope today you're very happy and maka-experience ka, dibu. Magpaso-paso. Maka-gown o na kay mga 18 candles, 18 treasures, yan, na kay 18 roses. Grabe, ang preparation. Thank you sa mga nagtaabang. Thank you kayo sa mga nag-pledge, sa mga treasures. Grabe, thank you kayo. Salamat din yung tanan. Ate Casey, I hope you're happy today and treasure the moment nga gipartihan jud ka sa imong 18th birthday. I miss you and I pray that you would be a successful woman in the future, okay? I know daghan pa kayong mga bugas na kaunon, daghan pa kayong mga endeavors nga i-face, mga trials, but be strong. I know you are strong, you're smart. Okay, keep working hard. Always listen to your parents, your grandparents, and always focus on your dreams, okay? Achieving your dream. Love life mo, follow na natin, ha? I miss you. We love you and happy birthday. Okay, God bless you, Ate. And to follow na lang ang gift para nimo ha. Kanang party lang sa ang makaya for now. Okay, enjoy it. Happy birthday. Enjoy your party. God bless. Bye-bye. Love you, Ate Casey.